time, one more time. Come on, one more time. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Woo!
Yeah.
Only in Florida, peeps.
We got Jesse's from Winter Circle. Is it?
Yep.
Okay.
Winter Circle paint and body.
Paint and body. Car in here. We're just helping him out. Seems like he was having a problem with his axles. Keeps popping out, and we noticed that the motor shipped. And when we came over here, there was only 2 bolts that was holding it on. So, and you could see the motor actually shifted more this way. So that's why the axle keeps popping out. So what we did was we went ahead and took everything off, retapped it, and then put all 3 bolts back on, 1, 2, and then the 3rd one here, and then shifted more back this way. You could tell because it was, when they originally did it here, the this exhaust was right in the middle, and then it shifted over about that much, you know. That's why I was hitting. So we're gonna go make a plate for him here.
Nice plate.
Yeah, just for him. Yeah, I don't. And then what else? That's pretty much it for what we're doing.
Nice little setup though.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna do the all-wheel drive for him when he's ready. I guess when we're ready. So right now we're just trying to get this issue
Clear it out.
for him. Yeah, figure it out and all that.
Nice little setup.
Oh yeah, you gotta come over here also. He's also got this. This is him also right here. BFR Performance. That's brown fried rice performance.
Brown fried rice.
You needed, yeah.
Nice.
I'm just kidding, Jesse. Just kidding. Yeah. I don't even know what it stands for. BFR. That's him.
Big up to BFR Performance. Yeah. That's Jesse. And he also paints. So this is, I think, this car that got fresh out the paint booth. Need to be buffed up and everything, but it's looking good. Yep. What numbers is he making?
Greasy hand all over it, so
yeah.
Maybe we won't wash it, but he could come here and wash it. So.
Of course, this paint, yeah, it's nice. I think this probably just got finished painted. Not done yet, but it's looking clean. Really nice. Of course, we got our DA here. Little upgrades. You guys saw we put this in. We got the diff in. That was got painted welded. Sprayed it black. Sprayed up top black. You know, clean up the rust first, of course. Spray it up. Went with the cast arms. Powder coated. He has our goodies on it. Toe and camber. That's a nice color. Still going at it. Drive shaft isn't in, as you can see. Put some rotors on, you know. We have the wheels on so we can push it in and out, but yep, more to come. We are heading up to Spring Hill, Florida to pick up another Nissan, I think B12 or B13. What up, fellas?
What's up, T?
What up? Silence.
Go pick up this
another B12, B13, which one?
Yeah, Nissan Sentra.
A Nissan Sentra.
From Joe. He actually was the one that actually bought Chad's motor. His own motor, yeah. So he said we could have it. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty dope of him.
Nice. Another case swap or what? Secret.
There's no secret.
All right.
We just don't know what we're gonna put in there yet. So, but before we get there, we gotta drop this thing off here to Tony and.
Okay. Oh, the carry bear?
No.
Oh, the pipe?
That we did for him and then.
Okay. Manifold?
Yeah.
Okay. Tony as in TR? Tony?
TR, yeah.
Okay, cool. Yo, look at these clowns. Look at these clowns. Look at these clowns. What the heck are they doing? Look at these clowns. They're doing. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Clowns, bro. What's up? They're trying to sip on that gas. Fuck you.
There you go.
Get me back. Yo.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
There you go. Oh, it took 2 days to do that.
Damn, Tony, you crazy, boy.
Live my life dangerously.
Oh, thank you.
You got it too? Nice. You got it welded up, nice?
Yes, sir.
Sweet,
Thank you.
These are bring presents.
Good. Pick up a car?
Another one.
Oh, it's not.
I don't know where we're gonna put this one.
Customer or a personal? Oh, that's good.
You look at me like that, TK.
Nothing.
Oh, you lying. Oh, you were a tiger, but I guess you were lying.
Hey,
All right,
what'd
fuck.
you say? Be lying.
All right, bro. Come on, man.
All right.
All right, brother.
I'll see you guys.
There it is right here.
Your next drag car.
Another Nissan. Yo, is that the engine on the ground?
Yeah. Pick everything up.
What up, brother? You cool? Come and pick up the beast.
Yeah. So, what happened? You just don't want to...
Good to go. Let's try to get it up on the thing.
Oh, okay. So, we got
Our engine's already out.
Oh, the engine's in the garage up there.
Up there,
If you
okay.
guys wanted or not.
Oh yeah, we got the engine, we got everything.
Is there a way we could push this?
So once again, bro, we just want to thank you for donating to the cause of our madness, trying to turn these cars into all-wheel drive monsters. You have an Instagram also you want to plug, or?
GTJ_the Great.
Cool. All right, check him out. Let's see what's up there. Oh, oh, nice. You're gonna winch it up?
Yeah, we're gonna...
Is there an e-brake?
Yeah, there is.
I gotta have to stop somewhere.
You can get there.
Quick stop at Home Depot to strap this thing down. Strap the wacky. Oh, the bus made it this time?
This time, man.
So, he made it.
Oh, man.
How you guys doing, man?
Good. Everybody want to know, like, how's the bus running now?
It's running better now that S1 build installed the all-new all-wheel drive Alpha 6.8 on mine bus.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, that he means a fuel pump, okay, and a fuse.
Do you need
Alpha
the
6.8.
you need the Delta 7 now?
The Alpha 6.8.
No. Come on.
What the hell's wrong with? Get out of here!
What's up, man?
What the
Here for the food.
Look at you!
He's here for the
What's going on, man?
Yeah, man.
Give me that papaya
you,
salad.
Craig.
but
Hey,
you
What
didn't
the
want to
hell?
come, so...
What are you doing,
Yeah,
man?
I'm gonna grab a sticky rice.
You couldn't stay away.
All right.
You
Sticky
couldn't
rice,
stay
you know?
away. Huh?
We got the sticky
You're looking
rice.
out, look at him.
I think you're
Look at
coming
his
back.
muscles. Look at his
I know,
muscles.
I should
Look
pop
at
it
you,
up.
bro.
diesel though. Look at that.
There's freaking steroids
dude.
up in Alabama.
I guess so.
We're straight from cows.
Cow, yeah.
Man, look at you.
Yep, getting all the protein, Mr. Muscle Guy.
You returning my car? Is that what you cut? You here?
No, you take it.
You returning my car?
No, no,
You don't
Yeah,
like it,
there
huh?
you go.
They tell you in Alabama you cannot have that car over there.
Not allowed.
Yeah, so just making the driver's side bracket today, and it's not the prettiest thing right now, but once it's all welded, I have like a plate for over here. We're gonna put like a plate across this over here, and then we're gonna run a bead across here and down here and down at the bottom. I know it kind of looks ugly right now, but once everything's covered, you guys are not gonna see any of that. So that's kind of where we're getting at with the whole mount. And I cut the EK mount. That's still the EK mount.
Right there.
Yeah, that I just cut up into pieces basically, and we're gonna weld it right to the unibody. Yeah, well, it's a unibody.
Unibody.
Yeah, unibody frame. And and that's where we're at. Well, we'll figure that out when that time comes.
Yeah, it's gonna come down a little bit. Just remember, it's gonna come down a little bit.
Right here, and then we'll do the plate after. Moment of truth.
It's gonna drop.
Barely, though. It's barely moved.
Oh, it's
That's
stiff.
good.
Oh yeah.
Now measure everything.
That's straight, man. Run it.
Dude, it's pretty. It's like, yeah, it's on. Like if I follow this line across.
Okay, 1, 2, on.
Yeah, it's on. It's pretty much dead on.
What is this? What is this? You good, man? How you been? Yeah, good, man. Good. Good, good. What year is this one?
65.
Oh my God.
Jamie.
Nice to meet you.
How long you have this one?
3 years now.
3 years?
Yeah, November. Yeah, mid-November.
Remember? Okay. Check this thing out. Of course, he is a combat veteran. There were a lot of veterans pass through here. This is immense. So nice. This ride. Ooh, so immense. Ooh, oh God. Look at that. Pretty sweet.
Put it up.
Open it up. Man, this is clean.
Yeah, I just cleaned it today.
So you're gonna case swap it? I know you're not, man, but it looks nice. Jeez, it's super nice.
We welded this mount last week, and then we got this one taken care of this weekend, and you know, this is obviously going to get painted, and I have to take the motor out to get to some of the weld spots. So this is all we can do from the top right now, after we take the motor out. But then what we found out is we put our factory K-Series T-bracket in, and it's like really close to this. So we don't know what we're gonna do now, because initially we thought we were gonna make a plate here, but now we're gonna kind of brainstorm a little bit to see what the best option is.
And look how
It's gonna touch.
Oh, it's not this thing like that.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
made for it.
Yeah, and this we might have to cut the tunnel, so we don't really know until it gets up into the air. But right now, we just made sure that the transfer case was at like a perfectly straight angle. Yeah, that's it.
That's it for today for these two cars. SC still in the house. We'd like to thank you guys for watching and subscribing and bearing with us. We don't load up every single day. We're trying to get to that point, but it's always busy at the shop. So please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And we're just here for the betterment of the car community. Peace.
We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1